Stop wasting money on outdated gear. In today's video, we're counting down the 20 game-changing power tools on Amazon in 2026 that are officially redefining the workshop. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast looking for the best Amazon power tools, these high-performance gadgets, from cordless drills to smart laser levels, are absolute must-haves. We've tested the latest from brands like DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Makita to find the most innovative tools that save time and boost precision. Let's dive into these 2026 tool trends you can't miss. Lifting heavy panels or tiles doesn't have to be a struggle. The XClifes labor-saving arm jack is a multifunctional construction jack with a handle designed for wall tile leveling, door panel lifting, cabinets, and more. It features precise height adjustment, accurate positioning, and fast lifting with a 6.69-inch range and 450-pound dynamic load capacity. The all-steel pressure plate and comfortable handle make pressing and lowering effortless. Compact and versatile, it also works as a woodworking clamp, making installation and assembly faster, safer, and less tiring for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Tight spaces and stubborn bolts are no match for the right tools. The Grenpro Ratcheting wrench set is a 22-piece combination wrench set with SAE, metric, and standard sizes, ranging from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch and 6 to 18 millimeters. Made from durable CRV chrome vanadium steel with a mirror finish, each wrench features a 72-tooth 12-point ratcheting box end for precise, effortless torque in tight spaces. The set comes in a roll-up pouch with clearly marked sizes for easy organization. Ideal for automotive, household, and emergency repairs, it's a versatile, durable toolkit for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Keeping your workspace safe and metal-free is essential for any project. The Workpro magnetic pickup tool is a 17-inch magnetic sweeper with an 8.8-pound magnetic capacity, perfect for collecting nails, screws, and metal debris in yards, garages, and workshops. Its telescoping handle extends from 16 inches to 39 inches for comfortable use in tight spaces, reducing back strain. Lightweight with smooth rolling wheels, it glides easily over concrete, grass, gravel, or carpet. Covering large areas quickly, this heavy-duty nail pickup tool makes cleanup efficient, convenient, and essential for maintaining a safe, organized environment. A razor-sharp edge makes all the difference in precision work. The Bacher Premium Leather Strop is a double-sided stropping kit for knife sharpening, wood carving, and woodworking. Handmade in Poland from 3mm vegetable tanned leather and beechwood, it combines craftsmanship with durability. The large, comfortable paddle strop offers smooth and rough surfaces for versatile polishing, while the included Bacher polishing compounds and balm-enhanced blade honing. Ideal for straight razors, hunting knives, pocket knives, chisels, and kitchen knives, this strop ensures tools remain impeccably sharp, making it an essential accessory for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Precision and durability are key for any carving or grinding project. The Pilim Tungsten Carbide Burr set is a 10-piece double-cut rotary cutting burr kit with 1/4 inch shanks, ideal for steel, wood, jade, marble, and bone. Made from high-strength tungsten carbide, these die grinder bits last 8 times longer than HSS tools. Perfect for milling, leveling, deburring, engraving, or surface work. They suit both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Compatible with most rotary tools, this set improves efficiency, speeds up projects, and delivers precise results, making it essential for metalworking, woodworking, jewelry, sculpting, and high precision craftwork. Say goodbye to clogged gutters and endless ladderwork. The LeafTek Gutter Guard system is a 5-inch by 200 feet heavy-duty aluminum leaf guard with vented raised ridges designed for DIY installation. Its 404 holes per square foot ensure water flows freely while leaves and pine needles are blown away. Made in the USA from premium 0.019 gauge aluminum, it resists bending, sagging, and pressure. Arriving in easy-to-connect 4-foot sections with pre-drilled holes, screws, and a magnetic hex driver, this gutter cover system protects your home, saves time, and provides lifetime performance without constant maintenance. Make cleaning tough surfaces faster and easier with the right tool. The Vusign electric pressure washer is a 2.5 GPM power washer with a foam cannon, designed for cars, driveways, fences, patios, and home cleaning. Its 4 quick connect nozzles provide versatile spray angles, while the foam bottle allows thick, chemical-enhanced cleaning. Lightweight and portable with a 20-foot hose, 16-foot power cord, and an anti-tipping design, it draws water from a faucet or bucket for easy use. Durable wheels, storage hooks, and TSS safety features make this electric high-pressure washer efficient, safe, and convenient for everyday cleaning tasks. Tackling bolts, nuts, and pipes requires a reliable adjustable wrench set. The Maxpower wrench set includes 3 sizes: 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch with extra-wide jaws and dual SAE and metric scales for easy measurement. Ergonomic, non-slip handles provide comfort and control, while the smooth knurl ensures precise jaw adjustment. With jaw capacities up to 1 1/8 inches, these wrenches grip, hold, and twist securely for various tasks. Ideal for home, garage, or workshop use, this soft grip wrench set meets common maintenance needs, making it a versatile and essential tool for DIY projects and professional work alike. Making PEX plumbing connections quick and reliable just got easier. The Iwiss iCrimp PEX crimping tool kit is a compact, portable tool designed for fastening PEX pipes to brass or poly fittings, using 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch copper crimp rings. It features an ergonomic design with comfort grips to reduce user fatigue, shorter handles for easy control, and quick-change jaws for fast installation. Durable and solid, the kit includes a PEX pipe cutter, free gauge, and multi-tools, making it easy to create secure, professional PEX B-tubing connections anywhere with minimal effort. Cleaning every corner of your home has never been easier. The Barnmo Cordless Stick Vacuum delivers 15 kilopascals of strong suction with 2-speed settings for effective cleaning on multiple surfaces. Its versatile design converts between stick and handheld modes, featuring LED headlights and a telescopic tube for hard-to-reach areas. The removable, rechargeable battery provides up to 45 minutes of runtime, and a triple indicator light shows remaining power. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it comes with a main vacuum brush, crevice tool, and dust brush, offering convenient, comprehensive cleaning for floors, furniture, and tight spaces. Working on brake, fuel, or coolant hoses requires precision and control. The Orion Motor Hose Pinch-Off Pliers set includes 6 pieces for flexible hoses, featuring both straight and 90-degree pliers. Adjustable jaws and a slide-locking design allow for a secure pinch, controlling fluid flow and enabling mess-free maintenance. Ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue during extended use, while reinforced nylon construction ensures long-lasting durability. This comprehensive kit simplifies hose handling, making installation, removal, and general maintenance safer and more efficient for automotive, mechanical, and DIY projects. Cutting copper, aluminum, or brass tubes has never been easier. The Hautmec copper tube cutter handles pipes up to 1 inch nominal capacity with smooth, burr-free results. Ideal for professionals and beginners, it excels in tight spaces thanks to its compact, close-quarters design. Heavy-duty zinc alloy construction ensures durability, while chrome rollers resist rust. The vacuum heat-treated, spring-loaded blade provides long-lasting, precise cuts. Non-slip directional grips enhance control and comfort, making this tubing cutter perfect for cutting copper, aluminum, brass, and thin wall conduit efficiently and safely in any workspace. Cleaning high ceilings and hard-to-reach areas is safer and easier with the right tools. The Extender Reach Duster Kit features a 4 to 12-foot telescopic pole that extends up to 20 feet, making cobwebs, ceiling fans, and tall windows accessible without a ladder. This 5-piece kit includes a flexible ceiling fan duster, microfiber feather duster, cobweb duster, and multi-angle squeegee for versatile cleaning. Lightweight, durable, and easy to control, the universal pole fits additional tools, ensuring safe, efficient dusting and window washing for high ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows, and awkward corners in any home. Tackling paint, PVC, or craft projects is easier with precise heat control. The Wagner Spraytech Temp heat gun features 12 digital temperature settings from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit and 2 airflow speeds, making it ideal for paint removal, bending PVC, softening adhesives, embossing, and more. The LED display and push-button controls allow exact temperature adjustments, while the included glass protector and flare nozzles direct heat safely and efficiently. Lightweight and versatile, this electric heat gun is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, home improvement, and crafts, providing precise, controlled heat for a wide range of applications. Fixing a broken or worn toilet flange doesn't have to be complicated. The Oatey Fix-It Flange Repair Ring repairs cracked or damaged toilet flanges without replacing the entire flange. Its universal design fits all flange and toilet installations and works on any flooring type, including concrete. Engineered for a secure connection, the repair ring features 10 mounting holes, 4 slotted tabs that fit under toilets, and elongated slots for angled screws. The perfect length bolt slot prevents bending, ensuring a stable, level, and leak-free repair for a reliable and long-lasting toilet installation. Precision cutting meets ultimate portability with the HOZO NeoBlade Ultrasonic Cutter. Weighing just 6.7 ounces with battery, this featherlight tool delivers 40 kHz ultrasonic vibration and 40 watts auto power adjustment for smooth, precise cuts across ABS, PLA, resin, acrylic, wood, leather, and more. Built-in turbo cooling prevents overheating, while 6 SK5 steel blades and 2 cutting modes handle trimming, carving, and fine detailing. The replaceable battery charges in 30 minutes and swaps effortlessly. Ideal for 3D printing, woodworking, prototyping, model mods, and DIY projects, the NeoBlade puts professional cutting power in the palm of your hand. Tackle tough rust, paint, and welding residue with ease. The Maxman Wire Scratch Brush Set features heavy-duty 11-inch stainless steel brushes with ergonomic plastic handles for comfort and control. Hardened steel bristles provide super decontamination, removing rust, paint, welding slag, and scale without damaging surfaces. The convex groove handle design reduces fatigue, and a hanging hole makes storage simple. Ideal for metal, doors, windows, floor tiles, and other hard-to-clean surfaces, this 2-piece set is perfect for mechanics, workshop workers, and DIYers who need durable, reusable wire brushes for heavy-duty cleaning and maintenance tasks. Ensure leak-free installations with ease and reliability. Oatey Flexible Plumber's Putty is a high-quality, soft, and pliable material that creates a watertight seal for frames, faucets, and strainer baskets. Its fungus-proof formula stays flexible, resisting cracking, shrinking, or crumbling over time. Easy to work with and mess-free, it won't stick to hands and requires no curing or drying. Perfect for professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts alike, this putty provides a durable, long-lasting seal wherever a flexible, reliable waterproof barrier is needed, making plumbing installations simpler and more secure. Reach every hidden corner without the struggle. The Barnmo Crevice Tool Vacuum is designed for Dyson Gen 5 G5 outsize vacuum cleaners and features a narrower nozzle for hard-to-clean crevices. Its slim, flexible design easily navigates corners, baseboards, window tracks, car seats, and appliance vents, removing dust and debris efficiently. Quick to attach and detach, this tool lets you clean under furniture or between tight gaps without moving heavy objects, saving time and effort. Perfect for detailed cleaning, it ensures every small rail, gap, and narrow space stays spotless with minimal hassle. Stop leaks fast with a tape you can trust. Flex Rubberized to Tape is a thick, flexible, and waterproof solution for sealing and patching leaks on virtually any surface. Measuring 4 inches by 5 feet in a pack of 2, it works indoors or outdoors, on home, RV, roof, plumbing, or pool repairs. Its rubberized backing conforms to any shape, and the strong adhesive holds underwater, wet or dry. UV resistant and durable in extreme temperatures, Flex Tape instantly blocks water, air, and moisture, providing a long-lasting, flexible, watertight barrier wherever you need it. That wraps up our list of the top 20 power tools on Amazon you need to see this year. If you're ready to upgrade your home improvement game, all the links to these trending tools are in the description below with the best Amazon deals. Which of these next-gen tools was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tool reviews and workshop gear guides. See you in the next one.